Hi! In this video, we are going to learn how to create a golden text effect using Adobe Photoshop. To get started, create a new document. Give it a name. Set the dimensions to 1920 by 1080 pixels, the resolution to 300 pixels per inch, the color mode to RGB at 8-bit, the color profile to working RGB, and click Create. Next, drag your background image onto the canvas, adjust its size, and confirm. Add a new empty layer, activate the Type tool, and choose your desired font. For this example, I'm using the Abril Fat Face font at 85 points. Start typing the text. Once you've typed your text, adjust the position to the center. Convert the text layer to a smart object. Add the bevel and emboss style, and follow these settings. You can apply the exact values shown in this example, but it's recommended to observe how these settings fit your chosen font type and size. If you're not satisfied with the appearance, feel free to modify the settings as needed. Next, add a drop shadow with black as the color, and follow the specified settings. Once you're done, click OK to confirm. Rename the text layer to FX1, duplicate the text layer, remove the effects from the duplicate, and rename the duplicate to FX2. Now, add the bevel and emboss style to the FX2 layer. When you apply the same layer style as the first layer, the settings will carry over. However, you'll need to make some changes. Update the highlight color to FFE372 and set the opacity to 100%. For the shadow, only change the opacity to 22%. Next, activate the stroke style and apply the following settings. For the gradient colors, change the first color stop to CA7700 and the second color stop to FFB650. To enhance the golden effect, we'll make it look like it's reflecting colors. To do this, activate the gradient overlay and use these settings. For the gradient colors, set the first color stop at location 0 with the color FFD24A. The second color stop is at location 13 with the same color FFD24A. The third color stop is at location 36 with the color 6A3400. The fourth color stop is also at location 36, but with the color D9991F. Ensure the third and fourth color stops overlap at location 36 to create the desired gradient effect. The fifth color stop is at location 100 with the color FFDB6E. Feel free to experiment with other colors if you want a different reflective effect. To make the golden text effect look even more realistic, activate the outer glow and follow these settings. Set the mode to color with FFE080 as the glow color. Now we'll add shiny effects using a lens flare brush. If you'd like to create the lens flare brush from scratch, check the video link in the description for a complete tutorial. Use the eyedropper tool to select the brightest color from the text and increase its brightness to 100. Set the opacity and flow to 100%. Add a new empty layer, adjust the brush size using the square bracket keys, and click once to place a lens flare at the desired location. Convert this layer to a smart object and set the blend mode to overlay. Next, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and set the amount to between 1 and 3. Resize and adjust the position of the flare if necessary. Duplicate the flare, spread the duplicates across different locations, and randomize their sizes. Select all the lens flare layers, group them, and rename the group. Reduce the blend mode of the group to around 90%. Finally, we'll adjust the background's highlight. Add a gradient fill layer. Select the black and white gradient preset, and set the style to radial. Check the reverse option and scale it to 300%. Set the blend mode to soft light and adjust the opacity to match the text's brightness. That's all for this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please support this channel by clicking the like and subscribe buttons. It's free. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.